Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my channel Mycoding. This is the first tutorial of the HTML series. Today we are going to discuss a little bit about HTML and the various tools that are needed to learn it. So let's begin. So what exactly is HTML? HTML describes the structure of a web page. It is a basic building block of a website. Okay. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now let's see what tools we can use to learn HTML. For Windows users, you can use simple text editor like Notepad or a little bit complex tool that is Notepad++. For Mac users, you can use TextEdit. For this tutorial series, we will be using Notepad++. Now let's see. Check the website of Notepad++. So this is the website of Notepad++. Go to the downloads link and you need to install Notepad++ according to your PC configuration. Okay, so this is the interface of Notepad++. Don't get confused by the dark background, as you can change it from the styles configurator. This is the style configurator where you can change whatever styles you need to learn stuff. So we are using a dark background here. Okay, so that's it for now. In this tutorial we will see more of HTML and hopefully we'll be making our first web page. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Till then, bye.